Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of businesses are already using AI tools to increase productivity. That's huge. AI is changing the game. And you're about to see why. Staying ahead is crucial. Don't get left behind. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. OpenAI just teamed up with Infosys. This means more AI tools for businesses. The future is now. You need the best tools to stay competitive. These tools will boost your productivity and save you time. Let's dive in. The top 5 ChatGPT alternatives for 2026. Are you ready? Tool 1, Jasper 1 to 230. Jasper creates content 5x faster. It's a game changer. Automates writing tasks. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 5 hours, Jasper does it in 30 minutes. That's insane. $29 a month. Worth it. For entrepreneurs who need content fast, Jasper is the answer. No more writer's block. No more delays. Get Jasper today. Tool 2, Claude 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Claude generates high-quality content in minutes, not hours. It's a time saver. Imagine you need a social media post. Instead of 2 hours, Claude does it in 10 minutes. That's fast. $15 a month. A steal. For small businesses who need content now, Claude is the solution. No more boring posts. No more wasted time. Try Claude now. Tool 3, Gamma 4 to 5:30. Gamma analyzes customer data with AI-powered insights. It's a data powerhouse. Imagine you need to understand your customers. Instead of weeks, Gamma does it in days. That's powerful. Free trial available. Test it out. For marketers who need data-driven decisions, Gamma is the tool. No more guessing. No more uncertainty. Get Gamma today. Tool 4, Perplexity 5:30 to 6:30. Perplexity collaborates with AI on project management. It's a collaboration tool. Imagine you need to manage a team project. Instead of 10 hours, Perplexity does it in 2 hours. That's efficient. $49 a month. Worth it. For teams who need to work together, Perplexity is the answer. No more misunderstandings. No more delays. Try Perplexity now. Tool 5, Notion AI 6:30 to 7:30. Notion AI is a note-taking tool with AI-powered features. It's a productivity booster. Imagine you need to take notes. Instead of 30 minutes, Notion AI does it in 5 minutes. That's fast. Completely free. Yes, free. For students who need to study smarter, Notion AI is the tool. No more